Ready to unlock seamless international shopping on Alibaba using just your trusty debit card? Let's jump right into a quick guide to MasterCard payments on Alibaba. First things first, head over to Alibaba.com and either sign into your existing account or create a new one if you haven't already. Once you've found that perfect product you want to purchase, simply click the Buy Now button. This will take you directly to the order confirmation page. Double-check all your order details, including the shipping address and the specifics of the product. Accuracy here will save you headaches later. Now comes the crucial part on the payment methods page. Look for the debit, credit card option. It might be listed under credit card options, but is also where debit cards are processed. Select it. You will be directed to a secure payment gateway here. Carefully enter your debit card details, including the card number, expiration date, and the CVV code located on the back of your card. Make sure everything is entered correctly to avoid any errors. Depending on your bank, you might be prompted for a security verification step. This usually involves a one-time password or OTP sent to your registered mobile number or email. Enter the OTP to confirm the transaction. Once everything is verified, you should see a confirmation page indicating your payment was successful. Congratulations, you paid with your debit card. Await dispatch of your order. With these steps, you're now equipped to shop confidently on Alibaba with your debit card. See you in the next one.